Known for glistening white sandy beaches and the majestic crystal blue water of the Gulf of Mexico, the location for our 2.5-day financial training event is held overlooking the sparkling bay of Clearwater Beach, Florida. After each day of learning at the Econologics Financial Freedom Summit, you will have your choice of activities to explore with countless options for dining, shopping, and entertainment. This event is the perfect retreat to learn the financial principles you need to know by day and relax and recharge by night.
The Financial Freedom Summit has been something we've been looking forward to, and it's definitely been what we've been anticipating. It's helped us a lot with, we've been a lot of thinking, a lot of talking, and there's just a lot of great tips that we've never heard of before, that we know that once we put them in practice, it's really going to be great for our future and our business's future.
The climate's excellent. It's sunny, which creates a really good mood. It's great because my kids came with me and there was stuff for them to do. They get to play in the pool.
The best thing Eric talked about today was the wealth storage account. Setting that up as an automatic draw, making sure that you're not even knowing that money exists so that it can build on the side. That was a game changer.
We wish that we probably had done this maybe, way much earlier in our business. We're 20 years into it. And if you're just starting out, if you're at 10 years, or if you're starting to look at an exit plan, this would help all groups of those people. And I can see why they say you might want to come back in 5 years.
One of the most stressful things is the finances of the practice. And then obviously that flows to the house and your relationship and everything like that depends on it. And us, we work together and we live together and we have kids together. And so that is one of the biggest stress points for anybody is your finances. And to have a solid game plan put in place that works for your household, not just for your business, is a breath of fresh air.
It's been very enlightening. And I think the fact that they really encourage you to bring your spouse or your partner or whoever that person is with you, it's a team effort. And if both parties are not on the same page, you're just going to keep hitting a wall.
Come to the summit. Seriously, you will not regret it.
Contact us for more information and reserve your spot today.